Hello everyone, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are going to bake some quick and easy, juicy baked chicken. Come over to my kitchen guys, let's go cooking. I have some frozen veggie of onion and bell pepper that I am going to finely mince to season the chicken with. Here I have the powder season, adobo, ginger, garlic, Cajun season, so I'm going to use some chicken thigh that is already washed in vinegar. So there's about 2 teaspoons of the Cajun season, half teaspoon of the adobo. Cajun season and the adobo is very salty, so we have to be very careful. So here I am adding my garlic powder, that's about a teaspoon of ginger powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. So here I'm adding the mixed veggie, the red, yellow, green, bell peppers and onion that is finely chopped. And here I'm drizzling a little olive oil just to get things moving, just to allow the season to coat nicely on the chicken pieces. So we want to season on top and bottom. So we are going to rub that season nicely on top, then we are going to turn it over to make sure every area is coated nicely. After we season up our chicken, we are going to allow it to marinate. This can be done overnight or a few hours before cooking for a better flavor. After that, we are going to insert it into the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is about half hour later where we take out the chicken pieces and we are coating it with the juice. We will do this about 2 times just to keep the chicken pieces soft and juicy while it is baking. So our second time will be about 25 minutes later. Here I go again, trying to keep those chicken pieces soft and juicy. So we are going to coat every piece nicely. After coating the chicken for the last time, we will insert it back into the oven to continue bake. About 2 hours later, or when our chicken pieces is soft and tender, here is the final result of our juicy baked chicken thigh. There you go, guys. A quick and easy way to bake some juicy chicken. So like I always said, guys, go ahead and try this recipe out. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. And drop a comment also and let me know what would you have with this baked chicken. Give this video a like. Share this video with your friends and family. If you have been here for the first time and you enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for my uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching. A big shout out to my subscribers, of course. Thank you for your love and support.